We've all seen this legendary photo of Einstein sticking out his tongue. Black and white, timeless and classic, but today, we're going to breathe new life into it using AVCLabs PhotoPro AI and turn it into a vivid color photo, powered by artificial intelligence. First, open AVCLabs PhotoPro AI and upload your black and white photo. Once the photo is loaded, look for the colorize tool on the left sidebar. You'll get to choose between two tone styles: bright, which gives you vibrant colors, or soft for a more natural vintage feel. For this image, we'll go with soft. It blends the colors more smoothly and keeps that vintage vibe. And then set the intensity to 18, strong enough to bring it to life and natural looking. Then hit apply, and in a few seconds, Einstein now in living color. The difference is mind-blowing. From historic grayscale to photorealistic color, it literally feels like time travel. If you've got vintage family portraits, historic photos, or just curious what your grandparents looked like in full color, give this tool a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.